Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to withdraw your bonus from JustMarkets in 2025. If you've received a trading bonus and want to convert it into real withdrawable cash, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. Let's get started. Understanding bonus withdrawal rules. Before initiating a withdrawal, it's crucial to understand the bonus terms. JustMarkets often provides trading bonuses that come with specific conditions. Some bonuses require you to complete a minimum trading volume, while others may have a time limit before you can withdraw. To check your bonus eligibility, log into JustMarkets and go to the Promotions or Bonuses section. Review the specific conditions of your bonus, including required lot size and trading activity, meeting the trading requirements. If your bonus requires a certain number of trades, ensure that you've met the required lot size or turnover. You can track your progress in the account dashboard under the bonus section. If you're short on required trading volume, consider opening and closing additional trades, but be mindful of your risk management strategy to avoid unnecessary losses. Account verification before withdrawal. To withdraw funds from JustMarkets, your account must be fully verified. If you haven't completed this step, head to the Profile section and upload your valid ID and proof of address. Verification usually takes a few hours, but in some cases it may take up to 24 hours. How to withdraw your bonus. Once you've met the trading requirements and verified your account, 1. Go to the JustMarkets dashboard and navigate to Funds, Withdraw. 2. Select your preferred payment method, bank transfer, crypto, or e-wallet. 3. Enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the request. 4. Complete any security verification steps like 2FA if enabled. Withdrawal processing time. Withdrawals usually take 1 to 3 business days to process. Some methods, like crypto or e-wallets, may be faster, processing within a few hours. Final tips. Make sure your withdrawal method matches your deposit method to avoid delays. Always check for withdrawal fees or conversion rates before submitting the request. If you encounter any issues, contact JustMarkets support for assistance. And that's it. Now you know how to successfully withdraw your bonus from JustMarkets. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next one.